What if you had a clinically tested, step-by-step system to treat obesity just by working through the ear? In this final part of the series, I'm giving you the full protocol. You'll learn how to choose the right points, how to treat them with confidence, and how to structure an entire plan so your patients not only lose weight, but reset the terrain that made the weight necessary in the first place. I'll walk you through how to build a 4-point custom protocol using a point finder or a probe, how to apply stainless steel needles with electricity or use gold seeds or intradermals, and how to match treatment frequency, timing, and follow-up for maximum impact. This isn't just about dropping pounds, it's about helping your patients feel lighter, more stable, and emotionally free, often for the first time in years. Download the full protocol guide below and let's bring it all together. The complete auricular protocol for obesity, how to use the 9 points in real-world practice. Over the videos, we've walked through the emotional, neurological, and physiological terrain behind obesity and the 9 auricular points that allows us to treat it with precision and power. And today, we're bringing it all together. This is your step-by-step clinical protocol, a system you can start using in your practice today. We'll talk about how to structure a session, how to choose the right points, treatment options, and how to use this protocol to get lasting results for your patients. One thing that excites me so much about the treatment of obesity is that half the population of the United States is obese or has too much fat cells and not enough muscle cells. Now let's do a 9-point recap. Right? So you're looking at the 9 points that we've gone over. Here's a quick reminder of them. 1 is laterality point. 2 is hypothalamus point, hidden on the inside of this concha wall here. 3 is point 0. Then you have 4, the depression point. 5 is master omega. 6 is psychotherapy point, which is right here, Dr. Bordial. 7 is the aggression point, which is right here. 8 is the frustration point right here. And 9 is the throat area here. Now, it doesn't mean that you treat all 10 of them. Here's how to implement the protocol step by step. Step 1, use your point finder or other, Pointo Select, something like that. Start with point number 1 on the list, which is laterality. These are listed in order of importance to check. Take your point detector and scan that point on the dominant ear. If it's electrically deficient, you treat it. If not, you move to point number 2, which is the hypothalamus point, and scan again. If you find the hypothalamus active, you treat it. If not, you move on to point 3, which is point 0. Continue this process down the list, stopping once you've identified a maximum 4 active points. The system respects the body's terrain. We're not just piling on needles. We're not just choosing points out of nowhere. We're treating what's actually calling for help. Step 2, choose your treatment method. Once you've found your 4 active points, now you have 3 options for how to treat them. Option 1, the most common one, is stainless steel needles and electroacupuncture. So insert a stainless steel needle into each point, hook it up to your device, choose the frequency, and treat it for 20 minutes. I like to use the Noget frequency zones as your guide because each part of the ear corresponds to a zone, right? And each zone has a specific frequency range. Choose the frequency based on the point location on the ear. Now, I like to use 2 different frequencies. And, if you can't get all 4 points in the same frequency zone, it's not a big deal. Just do your best to select 2 different frequencies using these Noget zones. Now, with a higher voltage device like a point-o-select, your patient does not need to feel the stimulation in order for it to work. That's okay. With a lower voltage device like an Edo Pantheon or AWQ, they do need to feel that stimulation lightly. Option 2 is to stimulate and mark the point and put a gold ear seed. If you're not going to needle, this is a great alternative. Here's the process. Find your point. Once you've found it, use the probe on the point-o-select to apply 15 seconds of electrical stim. After stimulating, press the tip of the probe firmly into the point to leave a small dent. This becomes your guide. Then apply a tiny gold ear seed directly on the mark. Take your time to precisely place that gold ear seed in the dent that you have created. This method is especially helpful for pediatric or geriatric care, sensitive patients that don't like needles, or as a longer acting passive treatment between sessions. They leave with the gold seeds, and these gold seeds usually could stay on for up to 2 days-ish. And it's like a trickle charge of minus 20 millivolts the whole time the gold seed is in place. Option 3 is to stimulate the point, like I said in option 2. Well, first locate the point, stimulate it for 15 seconds with your probe, then mark it with firm pressure to leave a clear dent. Then you can place a tiny intradermal needle obliquely into the skin. Cover it with micro ASP plaster. These are these tiny circular band-aids. And then I like to seal it with surgical glue, which I get online from Amazon. These needles can stay for 1 to 3 weeks, providing consistent trickle charge to that point. This is ideal for emotionally anchored obesity, strong constitutional deficiencies, or when patients need treatment to stay with them between visits. Maybe they're going on vacation and so they're missing out on their upcoming treatments. You can have them go on vacation with these needles in place. Here's what I usually recommend. You grade your patient into lightly diseased, moderately diseased, and severely diseased. If they are severely diseased, you are going to recommend 20 or more treatments. These treatments should be done 2 or 3 times a week for the first 2 months. You're going to follow the protocol each time, right? Each time is a fresh diagnosis, so you start at the top of the 10-point list and you work your way down like I taught you to do. A lot of times after a couple treatments, those same points won't be active again, but just by following the system, you'll be able to follow along with the changes that the patient's body is having. Now, the protocol is not just about dropping pounds, it's about resetting the terrain that made weight gain necessary in the first place. When this is done right, this protocol reduces cravings naturally, emotional eating softens, energy becomes steadier, sleep improves, and often without changing anything, the weight starts to drop without changing anything else. You're not forcing change, you're clearing the resistance that blocked the change from happening in the first place. Pro tip, you want to empower the patient. Of course, you're going to log the active points at each visit in your notes. Share what you're seeing so the patient understands it's not random. You're reading their nervous system, and let them know this is a retraining process, not a one-time fix. I'll often say we're not treating weight, we're treating the terrain that's needed for the weight to change. In other words, we don't treat disease, we treat the terrain of the acupuncture channels, neural levels, and tissues. This wraps up our series on auricular acupuncture for obesity. You now have clinically tested terrain-based protocol that addresses obesity at the level where it actually lives. Nervous system regulation, emotional terrain, and chi distribution. You have the points, you have the process. Now it's time for you to go out there, apply what you've learned, and help hundreds of more patients. You now have a terrain-based, clinically tested, repeatable protocol for treating obesity and the emotional, neurological, and energetic chaos that drives it. You've seen how to reset the nervous system, clear emotional blockages, and implement it all in a real-world, high-impact treatment strategy. This is how we get patients off the roller coaster. Cravings fade, energy stabilizes, sleep improves, and the weight starts to come off without forcing it. You've got the points, the process, and now the power to change lives. And if this series lit something up in you, then now's the time, because my full PRT auricular medicine intensive is opening up at a special rate. If you want a system that lets you walk into the treatment room, know exactly what to look for and exactly what to do, this is it. The PRT intensive trains you to point, read, and treat the terrain with precision. You're not guessing, you're reading the nervous system and responding with clarity. It's how we target root dysfunction in internal medicine, pain, and inflammation, even before it shows up in labs or imaging. Click the button near this video to join now. See you inside.